Hello friends and welcome to Exploring Disney Patents, the series where we look at patents Disney files for upcoming or existing attractions, merch, animatronics or experiences in an attempt to understand how Disney make magic. On today's episode we're looking at building your own real-life awesome lightsaber, or as Disney calls it, toy with build time effects. US patent number 108142442B1, this was originally filed on the 18th of January 2019 and published on the 27th of October 2020. The opening paragraph describes it as a design for build-your-own toys in which each build participant is provided a toy body or a base part and asked to select a data key for their toy. Since both Galaxy's Edge parks opened in 2019 at Disneyland and Hollywood Studios, guests have scrambled to visit Savi's workshop, an incredibly immersive $200 experience to build their very own customizable lightsaber. Or as the patent would describe, as Savi's being the toy building facility, the cast member being the build facilitator, and the guest being the build participant. Starting off, guests can choose from 4 themes: peace and justice, power and control, elemental nature, or protection and defense. Once inside, guests then choose from the selection of kyber crystals, determining the color of the lightsaber blade, which can be blue, green, violet, or red, and arguably the most important part. The patent describes these kyber crystals as data keys and reads each key has its own unique pre-programmed RFID tag inside its body, or otherwise positioned so not noticeable to a build-your-own-toy participant. The patent shows us some great drawings of the 4 different crystal sculpts as well as the location of the hidden RFID tag, which holds the data that when connected to the controller inside of the switch tells the lightsaber what color it's supposed to be and what sound it's supposed to make. Further, the data key may be used in a wide variety of other toys. In some cases, a single data key can be used in a holocron to customize the special effects in that toy. I love this part of the description because they actually use the term holocron, and of course, the kyber crystals you purchase are compatible with the Jedi and Sith holocrons. Guests are then presented with the parts to build their own lightsaber, in keeping with the theme they chose at the beginning. Guests must choose 2 sleeves, 1 emitter, 1 pommel cap, and 1 set of activation plate and switch, which is the part that reads the data from the kyber crystal. As shown, the set of add-on parts includes a set of 2 different end caps, a set of 2 different one-piece switches, a set of 4 differently configured sleeves, and a set of 2 different emitters. All of these designs became what we can build today as the protection and defense theme. When all guests have selected their parts, the lightsabers are placed into rotating slots to be activated where they light up for the first time and can be picked up.